Good day. I hope you're well. I wanted to rant about this thing of people claiming to be on software development, and like it's not even about claiming, but then it's like this slow push of people not being thrown in the deep end. Like, I don't know, maybe I'm reaching, but then there's this gap between what the market wants and what people have, right? It's like Nalenta babies and tutorial how, like, a lot of people know it. If you understand it, you know what I'm talking about. So a lot of people have the same pretty much products, or like they say the same
portfolio IT industry, and they're not coming up with something different. And I tend to blame what's happening in their schools, especially with CS degrees or like degrees in general. Like it's very
basic, not to say basic, but it's not it. They don't give you what the market wants. For example, you can complete the degree, né? And then you find that you still need to get a certificate for AWS. You still need to get a certificate for, let's just say, cloud in general. Still need to get a certificate for cybersecurity. You still need to get a certificate for networking. While you were actually kind of dabbling on that in tertiary, but then I feel like it should be that Maupuma CS degree, like you should be having at least like a CompTIA, A plus, maybe an AWS, not even cloud practitioner, like a developer associate, like because we're not playing in a CS degree, right? And networking, yeah, permanent networking class lapa or some certificate, and maybe security plus, and your degree. That's you ready for the industry and ready for what's happening in the current times, because these certificates are basically what's happening in industry now, because after some time yeah expired, after a couple of time yeah expired, especially if you want to get into the industry like that, yeah, well. But then if when you're out of some self-taught like we doing, like I'm doing actually, then yeah it's gonna be difficult. But then if usha computer science or informative systems or something that has to do with IT right now, or and if you're watching this video, try to like get the certificates, because that's what they want in the market right now. Uzoceda le degree yakho, but then if you're not good, then yeah, we don't want you. We're not gonna hire you.